Who was your favorite character in Bible?
I personally love Abraham because of his patience and personal relationship with God and the faithfulness he has with God.
How Abraham inspired you?
He is an amazing personality. As the creator, the God himself promised that he is going to multiply his generation. That promise that makes him feel so special and so near to God. He was blessed him with so much blessings that I want to have such good relationship with God.
The turning point is that Abraham was left his house. And what do yours?
My turning point was I was devastated by a heartbreak and I felt like nobody gonna help me and I wanted to be alone at that time. So that made me close to God and I found God at that time. The hope, the love I found him, it was beyond explanation.
What do you learn from the Abraham's life?
The patience to get the answer. He waited a long years and get the answers. The love for his start, like he was young, he trusted God, he loved God, and that's where I love him the most.
What message do you want to share to the young generation?
I want to share with everyone, the teenagers, the older, that we need to wait for God's answer. Being young or of any age, you need to wait. Have patience with God. Wait for his answer. You need to know who God is and you let him know what you are. He knows you. He knows your heart too. That's where you can have a good relationship with God. It's amazing.
What message do you want to share with our young generation?
I need to share that we need to wait for God's answer. If you're not ready for something, that is where we need to wait. Wait and wait. It's not like he has not answers right now. He does. But he wants us to wait. Whether we are younger or we are older, what we need is we need to wait. That's my message to everyone.
It is a message for our young generation. So thank you so much for being a part of our show, Miss Alishba. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Ask you a question.